Here's our next fraction that we are going to decompose. We can simplify this by writing it as x add 1 divided by x add 1. So all we've done is split this 2 into 1 add 1. And now we can write this as 1. So x add 1 divided by x add 1 will give us 1, and we're left with 1 over x add 1. And so now we can write the integral of x add 2 over x add 1 dx is equivalent to writing it as the integral of 1 add 1 over x add 1 dx, which is equal to x ln magnitude of x add 1 and the constant of integration. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Alistair.